Unlocking the power of chia seeds. Do they really have any benefits? Introduction. Chia seeds have surged in popularity over recent years, often touted as a superfood with a plethora of health benefits. These tiny seeds, which come from the Salvia hispanica plant, have been a staple in the diets of ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and Mayans. But do chia seeds really live up to the hype? In this article, we delve into the science-backed benefits of chia seeds and how they can enhance your health. Nutrient-dense powerhouses. Chia seeds may be small, but they are packed with essential nutrients. Just 1 ounce, about 2 tablespoons, provides fiber, 11 grams, protein, 4 grams, omega-3 fatty acids, 5 grams, calcium, 18% of the recommended daily allowance, RDA, manganese, 30% of the RDA, magnesium, 30% of the RDA, phosphorus, 27% of the RDA. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining overall health, supporting bone health, and aiding various bodily functions. Rich in antioxidants. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants that help fight the production of free radicals, which can damage cell molecules and contribute to aging and diseases like cancer. The antioxidants in chia seeds can help protect your body from oxidative stress and inflammation. Excellent source of fiber. With 11 grams of fiber per ounce, chia seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber. This high fiber content helps promote digestive health by aiding bowel regularity and preventing constipation. Fiber also helps to regulate blood sugar levels and can contribute to a feeling of fullness, which can be beneficial for weight management. Supports heart health. The high levels of omega-3 fatty acids in chia seeds are known to support heart health. Omega-3s can help reduce inflammation, lower bad cholesterol levels, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Including chia seeds in your diet can contribute to a healthier heart and improved cardiovascular function. Helps with weight management. Chia seeds can be a helpful ally in weight management due to their high fiber and protein content. Fiber absorbs water and expands in your stomach, increasing the feeling of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. The protein content also helps curb appetite and build muscle mass. Bone health booster. Chia seeds are rich in several nutrients that are essential for bone health, including calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds contains 18% of the RDA of calcium, which is particularly important for those who do not consume dairy products. Stabilizes blood sugar levels. The fiber in chia seeds can slow down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels. This can be particularly beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes or those looking to maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Improves digestive health. The gel-forming property of chia seeds when mixed with water can help promote digestive health. This gel can act as a prebiotic, providing nourishment for the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for overall health, including immune function and mental well-being. Versatile and easy to incorporate. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. They can be added to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, and salads, or used as a thickening agent in soups and sauces. Their mild flavor makes them a convenient addition to both sweet and savory dishes. Chia seeds are more than just a trendy superfood. They offer a wide range of health benefits backed by scientific research. From supporting heart and bone health to aiding digestion and weight management, these tiny seeds pack a powerful nutritional punch. Incorporating chia seeds into your daily diet is a simple and effective way to enhance your overall health and well-being. So, the next time you're looking for a nutrient boost, consider reaching for chia seeds and experience their remarkable benefits for yourself.